Yay!
If you're looking for less boring and more effective ways to learn Yoruba, you've come to the right place. As someone who spent time learning Yoruba myself, I've tested a lot of apps to see which actually help you understand both the language and the culture. Yoruba isn't just spoken by 50 million people, it's the heartbeat of vibrant cultures stretching from Nigeria to the Americas, full of proverbs, music, and deep spiritual wisdom. Today, I'm sharing my personal take on the best tools to tackle this tonal powerhouse in 2025. When it comes to a comprehensive approach, the Ling App has been my personal favorite. For a tonal language like Yoruba, it's essential to practice tones in context, and Ling does this better than anything else I've tried. Its hundreds of lessons, co-created with native speakers, not only focus on tonal patterns, but also weave in cultural insights. The tone recognition exercises really helped me internalize the subtle pitch changes that give Yoruba its meaning. The mini-games make it feel less like studying and more like experiencing the language firsthand. Memrise impressed me in a different way. I loved how it combined spaced repetition with real video clips of native Yoruba speakers. Using Memrise, I could see how people actually use Yoruba in daily life, like gestures, tones, and all. That was invaluable for understanding context beyond the textbooks. Its Learn with Locals feature gave me moments where I felt like I was sitting in a real conversation with native Yoruba speakers, which I've found is hard to replicate in most apps. Drops has a completely different vibe, and I have to admit, I actually enjoyed squeezing in 5 to 10 minutes a day just to pick up new words. The visuals and interactive exercises made memorizing vocabulary feel effortless, and the streaks and rewards motivated me to keep practicing even on busy days. It's not the deepest app for grammar or culture, but it's fantastic for maintaining consistency and building a solid word bank. Cudoo was a pleasant surprise. I appreciated its flexibility. You can take your time, go at your own pace, and the materials are varied enough to keep things engaging. With over 1,300 courses, I could explore language in combination with other topics, which was useful for mixing things up when I needed a break from intensive tone practice. But of course, nothing replaces real human interaction. iTalki has been incredible for me personally. I've booked one-on-one lessons with native Yoruba tutors, and getting instant feedback on my pronunciation and tone was eye-opening. Beyond the technical side of language, talking with tutors helped me understand cultural nuances and expressions you won't find in any app. If I had to choose one go-to, Ling still comes out on top for me. It's the only app I've tried that combines tone training, cultural insights, grammar, and conversation practice into one cohesive, gamified experience. It's the app I keep coming back to whenever I want structured learning that actually sticks. You can download it now and start your 7-day free trial by clicking the link in the description below or somewhere here on the screen. Yoruba connects a global diaspora, from Lagos to Brazil, from Cuba to your local community. Learning it isn't just about picking up a new language, it's about joining a worldwide family and honoring a legacy that's lasted centuries. Pick the app that fits your style, start your journey, and immerse yourself in this incredible culture. Thanks for watching, and I hope my experiences help you find the right tools for your own Yoruba learning journey. See you in the next one!